Hello, welcome from Carleton University based in Ottawa, Canada's capital city. This is Rob Finlayson, just wanting to say thank you very much for taking time to join us during the recent Canam Roadshow. It was a distinct pleasure to have the opportunity to meet such exceptional students and to be able to share with you some opportunities to study at Carleton University. The next step is for you to engage with Canam regarding submitting your applications. Our winter deadlines are fast approaching, and of course, we're working through our fall admissions as well. So, do take time to connect with a Canam counselor regarding taking the next steps. And if you've not done so, make sure that you create a Carleton 360 portal account so that we can invite you to upcoming events, including our International Day, opportunities to learn more about scholarships and funding, our great co-op programs to give you professional paid work experience, and of course, customized information about your programs as well. Visit our website, carleton.ca, for virtual tours, and know that both Carleton and Canam are here to support you as you progress through your journey to Canada for your education. As a former international student, I can say that studying away from home for the first time is a great decision. It's a big decision, but one that you won't be disappointed with as you go forth and prepare for your professional life, but also as you learn about yourself and the world as well. Carleton's got wonderful experiences waiting for you, and we look forward to welcoming you to our campus community. Thank you and have a great day.